We had to skip Beanie Signals concert, so we decided to go Beanie Pop-Up Store shopping instead. Let me show you what we got. Super excited kami dito because mas bet namin makita yung mga merch mismo. We went the day before the Signals Manila concert kasi naisip namin baka marami mas sold out after the concert. First of all, ang ganda ng Beanie Pop-Up Store. Ramdam na ramdam ko yung Beanie vibe inside. Merong wall of messages from our Beanie girls and blooms. Then naka-display din lahat ng awards the girls have received so far. Sayang nga walang message from Stacy and Sheena kasi wala sila nung 5th anniv shopping trip nila dito. When you're ready, just grab a mesh pack, then shop away. Medyo marami na rin kaming nabili in the past merch releases nila, pati sa Beanie Cosmetics, so we went straight sa mga na-miss namin or mga bago. Nung Beanify concert, di kami nakabili nitong mga charms nila, so ito yung inuna namin. May free bag if you buy 10 plastic charms. Medyo marami na kaming Beanie tote bag, so we skipped it. Naaliw kami na the merch were arranged by era or album ng girls. There's Born to Win and Feel Good, pati yung homecoming merch nila. Meron na kami ng iba nito, so we skipped this. Tapos merong Tala-Arawan and Beanieverse sections. Dito sa era na to kami nag-start maging bloom, so meron na kami ng iba rin dito. Then there's the Signals and Beanie Pop-Up Store exclusive merch nila na what we really wanted to check out. Ang dami naming bet, pero we had to focus para di kami masyadong mabudol. Meron din silang silver pendant lockets per member. Cute sana, kaso mabigat niya. Marami ring choices ng mga beanie shirts na you can choose from. May fitting room naman sila kaso isa lang. We got this beanie shirt na nagustuhan ni nanay. Then nung unang punta namin, walang baseball jerseys ng Josie sa sizes namin so bumalik pa kami. Buti nag-restock sila kasi na-sold out na to online right after the 2-day Signals Manila concert. Di kami dapat bibili nitong image pickets nila kasi random pero may technique pala para makuha mo yung main bias mo. Tandaan mo lang yung bottom ng image picket ng bias mo then hanapin mo yun dun sa mga unopened na image pickets. After shopping, time for photos. Maraming spots inside the Beanie Pop-Up Store where you can take your photos. Their Coachella photos are all over the store. Ang gaganda nila. Then itong Sweet Tooth area naman, may Beanie logo na platform na magandang photo spot din. Before you go, don't forget to leave a posted message sa wall for the girls. Sana mabasa nila lahat yung messages ng blooms here. Doon sa checkout counter naman, Signals yung highlight. Nabudol din pala kami ng deal nila ng minimum spend of 7,000 to get a full set of 8 photo cards. So aside sa baseball jerseys, here's everything else we bought from the Beanie Pop-Up Store. First is the Beanie Signals shirt. Sinuot agad ni Bloom gift to when we went back to the pop-up store. Nagustuhan niya kasi thick yung tela pero comfy siya. Next, yung Beanie Signals pen light. Smooth naman yung pagsulat niya but the main reason why we bought this was yung light niya na may Beanie logo. Ang cute. Mabot naman hanggang ceiling namin yung light. Next is yung Beanie Signals bag charm. Akala namin bag charm lang siya, pero coin purse rin pala. Issue ko lang dito is mas mukha siyang starfish kaysa sa Beanie logo. Diba? We also got a few keyring logos and fan charms. Ito kasi yung na-miss namin nung sa Beanified kasi ang haba ng pila. Itong Metal Smart Talk, I just had to get din. Tinest ko pa siya dun sa store if malakas din ang kapit kasi yung pop socket ko, pangharabas talaga. Thankfully, the magnet is quite strong. Kahit anong shake ko, di talaga nalalaglag yung phone ko na medyo mabigat pa nga. Mas mataas pa siya ng konti sa pop socket ko so comfy naman sa kamay. Pero gagamitin ko lang to siguro pag Beanie or Bloom events kasi ayaw ko siya magasgas. Yung image pickets, syempre we got Joanna and Stacy as Josie Truthers. Maganda yung quality and sturdy siya. It will double as fun na rin kapag mainit sa next Beanie event. Finally, yung Beanie photo cards we got for free from our total spend. As usual, they all look gorgeous. New addition to our official Beanie photo cards. Overall, super happy naman kami sa mga nabili namin. The Beanie Pop-Up Store is super cute and nakaka-happy kasi feel na feel mo yung Beanie and pagiging Bloom inside. The Beanie Pop-Up Store in SM Mall of Asia will be open until August 15 na lang. Meron na rin sila sa SM City, Seaside Cebu in time for the Signals Cebu concert. The store there will be open until July 18 na. So if may bet kayong merch, may time pa kayo. Takbo na ba kayo sa Beanie Pop-Up Store? Patingin naman ang nabili nyo.